Kaya ma-surprise. Ala, look at this. Look at this. Disneyland! 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 Alam mo, daya mo kaya pala tahimik ka. Hindi ka nagsasalita. You're not.
Oh, 1.2 M.
1.2.
These guys help me.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you. Thank you. Ang papa-ipin niya. Thank you. Thank you guys for liking. Hindi ko to magagawa without you guys.
Yes!
Thank you kay Lord.
Daddy, huwag ka sumimango.
Daddy, pabili ka na. Wala ka na switch
Book
dyan.
a flight!
Book a flight! Book a flight! Book a flight! Book a flight! Book a flight!
Book a flight ba? Book a flight! Book a flight! We're gonna go to Disneyland, anak! Disneyland!
Disneyland!
Hindi ka ba happy?
Go.
Nandi book.
Okay, maghahanap na ako. Congrats, anak.
Nahing ka eh.
Magbubuk ako. Pupunta tayong Disneyland.
Sali si Opa.
I promise, we're going to Disneyland. First of all, kukuha na tayo ng visa mo sa Japan. Kasi gusto mo yung Disneyland
Japan
sa
na tayo?
Diba?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, guys.
Thank you! You know guys, when una, I can't believe talaga. You guys are the best. Thank you and thank you, Lord!
Nothing is impossible.
It will do so much. If there's snowing there, we can snow, we can wear the jacket, we can go to Mario World. There's so much things to do. And if there's chocolate there, let's
Ba't ganyan yung mukha mo? Parang hindi ka masaya.
Diba?
Happy. Bigla lang.
Alam niyo bakit malungkot si Omi?
Mapapagastos na.
Hindi. Kasi katuwaan lang naman yun.
Anong katuwaan?
Tinanong lang talaga ni Ola, hindi niya ina-expect na mag-1M. Akala niya hindi magte-trending. Sabi niya, okay lang yan, di naman matutuloy yan eh. Right? Sabi ni Daddy.
Guys, don't worry. I will tour you sa Disneyland!
Yay!
At if hindi natuloy, sisihin niyo to.
Hindi, gagawin ko yung promise ko.
Yes!
Bukas kuha tayo visa.
Yes!